Howdy partner, and welcome to Puzzle Pieces. In this episode, I'd like to talk about a puzzle I call the Cowboy Shootout. And this is an example of an elimination puzzle, where there's a number of elements, but only some of them are relevant. What players need to do is follow a process or series of rules to eliminate certain elements, and when they've done that, only those that remain provide the solution to the puzzle. Okay, so here's how the puzzle's set up. And as you can see, I've got 7 columns and 4 rows of cowboys, each of which have got a pair of letters on their hats. Now, all the cowboys are aiming their guns at other cowboys, and unfortunately they've also got pretty itchy trigger fingers. So a loud noise happens and they all simultaneously fire their guns at each other. And what you need to do is work out, after all of the aftermath, which of the cowboys are left standing. So to do that, we'll start at the top here. And so this guy fires in front of him, towards him, so we'll cross him off. And he also fires downwards towards the one below him, so we'll cross that one off as well. And then we move across to this cowboy. Now, even though he's been shot by the guy behind him, we assume that all of the cowboys fire simultaneously, so he still had chance to shoot backwards, and when he did so, he kills the guy who kills him. He also shoots down and right, so this guy gets eliminated. This guy here, he shoots backwards. Well, this one's already been shot by the guy behind him, so this has no effect, but he also shoots forward and gets this guy. This guy shoots down and left, no effect. Down and right, and we eliminate this one. This guy shoots down and right and eliminates here, and he also shoots forward and eliminates this one. This guy shoots down and left, already done, and down, already done, so he has no effect. Go to the corner, down and left, already done, and down to eliminate this one. And then we go on to the next line. So up and right, already eliminated, down and right, this guy gets struck off. He shoots behind him, and also up and right. And then this guy shoots forwards to eliminate here, and down and left, no effect. This guy shoots up, no effect, down and right. And then we go backwards, forwards. This guy goes up and right to eliminate the last one on the top row, and also down and left. And this one here shoots up and left, and he also shoots forwards and just off the screen somewhere. Then we go on to the third row down, so WE shoots right, no effect, down and right, shoot this guy. This guy shoots forwards and kills him, and also shoots down and right and kills him. This guy shoots up and right, no effect, down and left, no effect. TO shoots up and right to this guy and always forwards as well, no effect. This guy shoots up and right and down and left to get rid of this one. This guy shoots up and right and down and right. OU shoots backwards, behind him and up, and also behind him and down to get rid of this guy. And then we're on the last row, so IS has 2 pistols, both pointing up to IN to make double sure he's dead, but has no effect. And sadly he then gets shot by the guy in front of him. He also shoots up and right. This guy shoots behind him and also up and right to get rid of this one. He shoots up and left and forwards to get rid of VE. VE shoots up and forwards. He shoots up and right and also forwards, and the guy at the end goes straight up for that. And when we've done all that, we finish the elimination, what we find the cowboys left are WI, LD, WE and ST, which spells Wild West, the solution to the puzzle. Now, I've chosen a cowboy theme, but it would be easy to create an elimination puzzle like this using many different themes. You could have robots that were firing lasers at each other, or you could have secret agents that were spying on each other, and only those agents that were not being watched by another agent would survive elimination. Or, instead of simply having drawings of the elements, you could have actual 3D objects like gargoyles around the room looking at each other, or Medusa's heads that would turn other heads to stone if they caught each other's eyes. The only requirement is that there is a set of rules which players follow to eliminate the redundant elements, and those that are left behind provide the puzzle solution.